Hey, hi everyone. So, welcome back again to the Forexhunt YouTube channel, and hope you might have watched my first video about engulfing theory, and I think that you may have enjoyed it, and you don't have any questions or queries related to the basic formation of engulfing by candles, and some basics we have covered on the day. So, the topic which was left was engulfing cell. Okay, so in this particular video, I will teach you how to mark engulfing cell, and in last video I have covered engulfing buy. Those who haven't watched the video yet and they are here to learn the engulfing theory, go step by step, watch the first video completely, make the notes, ask any questions or doubts you are having in your mind, and clear it before the time we start our part 2. So let's start with engulfing cell. Before that, I will in this video particularly I will tell you two basic concepts. First is engulfing cell, and the other one is volume price theory. Okay, in this particular video I will cover both these topics, so it will help you to understand how to mark engulfing buy and engulfing sell. And before starting this video, you may also recap what you have learned in part 1 video, and this is going to be a series of step-by-step videos in which I will cover how to mark engulfing buy, engulfing sell in the live chart, and you can go with the theory to make some profits out of the market. So clear your mind, empty your mind, and start with this topic, and don't think that you are using something different, because this is a very beautiful theory which will help you to gain some profit. So let's start with today's topic, that is engulfing cell markings. So I am writing it here. What is engulfing cell? So in last video I have covered what is engulfing cell. What is engulfing cell I have already covered, and I have taught you how to mark it. So firstly, this was the candle, buyer's candle, which was marked, and after that a seller's candle was marked similarly like this, and this was the boundary area. Okay, so this was engulfing cell, and the important points in this marking was these two wicks from which you will draw your zones, and this is the area particularly, which is very important. Your seller's candle should close below the line which you have drawn. Okay, this body closing is very important. Closing of body close is important, and in buyer's engulfing buy, closing of body upper side of the drawn zone line is important. So there is an important quote, that is quote, buyer eats high, seller eats low. This is very important quote that is used in engulfing theory, that buyer eats high and seller eats low. This was given by Lara Summers. Okay, that how to mark engulfing buy and engulfing sell. So coming to the next point, how to mark engulfing sell. So the first point is, this is a buyer's candle, and 2 1 2 3, these are seller's candle. Okay, properly, and you mark like this. So this is the second case of engulfing cell. Okay, and you have to remember one point: 2 3 4 n number of candles can engulf one buyer's candle. Similarly, it was same in engulfing buy also. 2 3 numbers of buyer's candle engulf one red candle. Okay, but there shouldn't be any blue candle, bias candle within the red candles. Means this is okay. One, two, three red candles are engulfing one bias candle, but there shouldn't be any blue candle in between here. That will destroy your engulfing cell markings. Okay, so you have to check this, verify this, and this is the most important that I have already taught you, that the closing of the candle is very important. Body close is important, not the wick. In case there is only a wick like this, only a wick, so this is not correct. Okay, if there is only wick outside the box, that is not engulfing cell. So I have like this now. Yeah, this is accurate. Okay, this is second case of engulfing cell, and in the third case of engulfing cell, I will taught you how to mark. This is a bias candle like this, and this is gonna be a seller's candle right here, and the bias candle is being engulfed by blue candle, and the wick is above the upper wick of the bias candle. Okay, so this is also third case, this which is right. Even in the case there is no wick, only the body is here, and there is nothing on the head of this candle, there's nothing like this wick, so this is also accurate. Okay, wick in engulfing cell upper direction is not important. Okay, like this. So this is particularly your three cases: first engulfing cell, second engulfing cell, and third engulfing cell. Closing of body is very important. I have already taught you closing of body is very important. You have to keep in mind that without closing of the body, there isn't be any kind of engulfing cell or engulfing bar you can mark. Clear? Now please recall these all topics I have taught you, and now I am going to the next topic, which is volume price theory. Okay, I'm writing it here: volume price theory, which is also an important aspect of engulfing theory, that you will find many engulfing by and engulfing cell. You will find many engulfing by, EG by, and EG shell. So is it a good thing that you will mark everything on your charts? You can find millions of engulfing by and engulfing cell. Do you need to mark every engulfing by engulfing cell? In shorts, in Instagram reels or YouTube, you may have watched, like market goes in down direction, there exists an engulfing there is a red candle like this, and a buy forms exactly there, and the market goes in like this. Who is it? Okay, this is wrong marking. Okay, and this is wrong. You need not to mark like this, that market is falling from upper side, and suddenly there comes a red candle, and the red candle is being engulfed by a bias candle, and you thought that it will go shoot up. No, this is wrong. Market doesn't work like this. Okay, market doesn't work like this. So how exactly market works, and when exactly market works? Okay, you have to write it one thing here: time also matters. Okay, so what is volume? So volume is basically large amount of orders at a particular time, and the most accurate time is US session and news impact. When news come, you may have suddenly watched that when news come, market is like this before coming the news, and suddenly market comes with the news and it like this spike. Whoop, whoop. So and again it comes to the normal behavior. So this spike, this kind of spikes is created by volumes. These are the reasons of spike. Volume exists, and US sessions is like that. US session in India, now Bharat. US session is like in between 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. This is most accurate time for placing orders. Clear? This is the most accurate time of placing orders, because in this time particularly there are large amount of volume exists, and maybe some news comes that causes the volume to get uphold, and the market gives a very good movement. Clear? Market gives a very good movement when US session starts, and if news comes in the same period, it will give a boost to your orders. Okay, and some restrictions are there. Don't enter directly in the market after reading a news. So many traders in the world do what? They see actual, forecast, previous. They learn the data. This comes. You see which is greater than what, which is lesser than what, and what the impact of the news on dollars, and exactly the opposite reaction on the gold. If dollar goes high, you will sell gold. If dollar goes low, you will buy gold. You do directly. No, there are some places even the news comes like this. You are here for buy and here for sell. Okay, and market is like here, and the news comes for a sell. Even though if the news comes for a sell direction, market will go like this and fall from here. You will lose your account immediately with this spike. This spike, you will lose your account, wash your account. So be serious, trader. Don't do these kind of shits, because these kind of shits will wash your account and let you to cry. Okay, so and I have taught you buy, sell, okay, volume price theory, and now in the next video I will try to cover the markings, how to mark. Obviously I will not cover the M1 M5 confirmations in this video because it may take a long time, and after completing this kind of series I will try to analyze the charts. For example, like Euro USD, I will mark you Euro USD, XAUUSD, a proper technical aspect of what happens to these pairs in 1 month, 1 week, daily analysis. What will happen to these charts? I will do this kind of analysis, a proper 1 or 2 hours analysis for those traders who are having a deep knowledge of engulfing theory, or maybe smart money concept, trend lines, vertical lines, whatever the things you use in the market. I will properly analyze the charts with my knowledge, my experience, and my sanities. So this will help you in becoming a better trader. So Let's meet in the next episode. Till the time, please do your analysis. Whatever I have taught you, make the notes, watch the analysis videos in YouTube, and learn this all the concepts. Okay, thank you. Subscribe to this channel for more important updates and these kind of theories which will be helpful for you. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.